And look, we gotta try cold start this beast. Oh, the door's frozen. It is about 7 degrees Fahrenheit, or about minus 13 Celsius. So let's see what it does or doesn't do. Alright, so I cycled the glow plugs a couple of times. Let's go! Not a bean. Let's glow her some more. Come on, Ford. My fingers are about to fall off. Time for the old magic juice. Alright, come on. Jesus. So cold. Woo! She's got a healthy old spray. I'm confident. Come on, baby. Yes. No. She's gonna go. She's getting close. Where's the spray? More jungle juice. Wherever it is. This is the one for sure. Come on! She is chilly. You got a battery box on there. Come on, you can do it. Come on, baby. Oh, she's close. You can do it. She's running. It's alive. Finally. She's a little smoky, but that's okay. Fired right up. Good old Ford.